Ron Brown with ℕ𝕉. If you're like most people, your inbox can quickly become overwhelming. With dozens, if not hundreds, of messages flooding into your inbox every day, it can be difficult to stay on top and manage your time efficiently. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. ℸ𝕉 is a tool that provides advanced email composition capabilities by leveraging artificial intelligence. With using machine learning algorithms, ℸ𝕉 can help write emails faster. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific ways that AI can supercharge your Gmail productivity so you can get more done in less time. Today I'm going to be showing you artificial intelligence in Gmail using a Chrome extension called ℸ𝕉. This extension has a free and paid component. Today I'll be using the free component, and at the end of the video I'll be giving you my impression and recommendation. To obtain this extension, we'll just go over to the ℸ𝕉 website and download the extension for our Chrome browser. It easily installs. It will be available for you right after installation. You can turn the extension on or off, and in my experience, it works quickly and doesn't interfere with the speed of your computer. It sits as resident in your Gmail software. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 features of ℸ𝕉 that will help you increase your productivity in Gmail. So the first feature of ℸ𝕉 I'm going to show you is called Compose Anything. Let's have a look. All right, here we are in my Gmail account, and I have created an email that we're going to put some body and text into. You'll see that I have installed ℸ𝕉. You'll see that at the bottom here it says written with ℸ𝕉. And to start AI, all that you have to do is put your cursor in the body of the text and 2 forward slashes. And this brings up, of course, the ℸ𝕉 menu. So the first thing you'll notice when you forward slash twice, you'll see that it brings up the AI menu. So when using AI for writing, the first thing you want is to define what thing you want. And if you come down the menu here, of course, you can type anything you want in this line, but let's come down because ℸ𝕉 has already predefined some templates for you. Let's have a look at this. An outline, a bullet list, a headline, a paragraph about, a couple of paragraphs about, a sentence about, a few ideas, a bit of more information, or an email too. So it can pre-select that, or you can type anything in here. And once you define what it is you want written, like a thing, then you have to fill in what the thing is about. So for example, if you're going to write an email, you want to ask it to write an email about something. So you have to put something in there once you've decided what type of structure you want. And I'll give you an example on how this is going to work. So in this example, I'm going to send Huey Popluck an idea I have for an upcoming program at Tech4Senior. I'm going to talk about satellite internet. So I've asked ℸ𝕉 to write an outline for a blog post on the benefits of satellite internet. So I'm going to create an outline and I want to send this to Huey. So I've typed in the appropriate terminology, hit enter, and now it's going to write a blog post for me. And here we come up with the blog post, and I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you get the idea that it's written it all out for me. All right, so Huey has received my email and sent me an email back and said, Ron, this is a great idea. Continue on and send me copies of the final. So I'm going to come back down to my outline, and I'm going to look here and see the first really the importance. I want to elaborate on the importance of internet connectivity in today's society. So I'm simply going to highlight this, and we're going to copy it. Right click and copy. And then we're going to come down to a couple of lines below. I'm going to open up with 2 forward slashes. We're going to open up ℙ𝕝𝕖𝕒, and we're going to come down here, and I'm going to say, write a couple of paragraphs about. So I want about 2 paragraphs. I don't want this too long. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste that into what we've copied. So now it says, write a couple of paragraphs about the importance of internet connectivity in today's society. Okay, let's see what it says. And here we go. So now we have the section here. It's written, overall, the importance of internet connectivity will only continue to grow as we come, so on and so forth. So it's written 2 paragraphs about the importance of internet connectivity in today's society. And again, you can expand this and go through all the different outline that we've just created and make a article or blog post. I can then send that back to Huey right from here because we are in Gmail. So we'll just add that and say final blog post, and away we go. So the second feature is called Easy Email Reply. Let's have a look. So the next feature I'd like to show you is Easy Email Reply. Now, if you look at the email ahead of you here, you'll see the title is AI in Gmail, and this is from my imaginary friend Beamer Brown. It says, Ron, do you have any experience using AI with Gmail? Now, if you look at the bottom, you'll see Gmail's automatic answers to reply, and they will be on the bottom here. No, I don't. No, why? No, I haven't. So if you click any of these 3, and these would be the standard 3 that you would see in your Gmail, these are the automatic replies that you can choose. But these, of course, are very short, not very friendly. Let me just show you the ones that ℙ𝕝𝕖 will give you. Now, watch carefully. This is the ℙ𝕝𝕖 symbol. I can say, yes, I do. I can say no, or I can just say thanks. Of course, I'm going to say, yes, I do. So if I say yes, watch what AI does. I'm going to say yes. So it has created an email for me saying, hi, Beamer. Yes, I do have some experience with AI with Gmail. Let me know if you have any specific questions or concerns about it. A much friendlier and informative response. But of course, I'm not going to leave it there. I have of course responded to his question, but I'm going to show him a little bit about my knowledge. So let's just add another paragraph here. Remember, I'm going to do the 2 forward slashes. So I've opened up ℙ𝕝𝕖, and I'm going to write a paragraph about using AI with Gmail. Might as well show a little bit of my knowledge here. So we'll hit enter. And now we've added this. Artificial intelligence has become an essential part of modern communication tools such as Gmail. Gmail users benefit from a number and so on and so forth. And I've now added another paragraph here about using AI with Gmail. And again, I've responded quickly to his concerns. I have demonstrated some of my knowledge, and we'll be able just to hit the send button and send that to Beamer. All right, the third feature of ℙ𝕝𝕖 is called Compose Email. Let's have a look. All right, for the next feature, I'd like to show you ℙ𝕝𝕖. As we come down, you'll notice that this is a new email I'm going to send. Now, to open the ℙ𝕝𝕖 menu, what we're going to do is come down to the right, way down here to the right, and you'll see a little blue dot here. We're going to click this, and we're going to open ℙ𝕝𝕖. So here we are, and I'm going to respond to an email that I just have. So I'm going to ask ℙ𝕝𝕖 to send an email to Beamer to have a meeting to discuss training with Gmail and AI. Let's see what ℙ𝕝𝕖 writes for an email for me. So now we have a number of choices about creating an email. We're going to have a meeting to discuss Gmail and AI training next week. Please let me know if you're available. I wanted to let you know that we'll be having a meeting next week to discuss so on and so forth. So you have a whole bunch of suggestions, or you can load more suggestions for this. And again, it's responding to to creating an email. And this is being artificial intelligence, can respond to various topics you would have in email correspondence. So the fourth feature in ℙ𝕝𝕖 is autocomplete. Let me show you how that's done. So the next feature I'd like to demonstrate is autocomplete. Let's say I'm writing a letter back to my imaginary friend Beamer Brown, and I'm going to talk to him about AI Gmail. So I'm going to start typing so you'll see right away it's starting to autocomplete. I'm writing this email to discuss, and again you'll see that as we come along, and you can, of course, by hitting Alt-2, Alt-3, you can select the phrases that you want quickly just by clicking that, or you can use the, again, Alt-2, Alt-3, they're all Alt-Tab. So I've saved the best for the last. ℙ𝕝𝕖 Rephrase is my favorite feature. Let me show you how this works. So the last feature I'd like to show you is the Rephrase feature, and I'm so excited because this is probably one of my favorite out of the 5. So let's come back to our email that I sent to Beamer. Remember I said, yes, I do have some experience using AI with Gmail. I wrote this, and I think it's just not quite me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. And that opens another menu down below here. And if you look carefully, the first one is a friendly tone. The second one is a formal tone. The third option is to expand, shorten, and rephrase. So let me I want this to be more friendly. So watch what happens when I click here, and this will now list that sentence in more friendly terminology. So let's have a look at some of them. Oh, I actually do have some experience with AI in Gmail. Feel free to ask me any questions or let me know if there's anything I can do. Or let's take another one down here. I do have some experience with AI in Gmail. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions or share your experience. Okay, so now let's come back and do the formal. So when we click this button here, this is more formal. I can confidently assert that I possess a certain level of expertise in the implementation of AI in concert with Gmail. Oh, wow. That makes me sound really good, doesn't it? So that's formal. Or suppose I just don't like this sentence. Let's rephrase it. So let's click the bottom here and let's rephrase this. So now it says, this is rephrased, affirmative. I've got some prior knowledge operating AI with Gmail. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know. So that's different than the original one. This is such a powerful feature and one I use all the time. So in this video, I've shown you how ℙ𝕝𝕖 will help you be more efficient with Gmail. There are 5 features which you should be using. The first is compose anything, where there are templates arranged for you. The second is autocomplete, where you can complete a sentence or a paragraph quickly. The third is easy email reply, in which it will auto reply for you in a more customizable form. The other is compose email, where it will actually compose an email for you depending on the question you pose. And then rephrase sentences, my favorite, where it will change the reply based on your tone. So these are 5 features why I feel you should be using Compose AI. Now let's look at if this is free or is there a cost to this. So this is the pricing of Compose AI. If we look at the top, you'll see there's 3 tiers. There is, of course, the free and basic tier, which I have and am using. You have the premium tier, which is $120 a year or roughly $10 a month. Or you have the ultimate version tier, which is $360 a year or about $30 a month. So let's look at the features on each tier. So if you look at the AI generated text, in the free version you get 1,000 words per month. And of course on the premium is 15,000 words, and then the ultimate unlimited. You have the rephrase, reword, short, and expand. You get 10 a day on the free or basic. Premium and ultimate are both unlimited. The advanced autocomplete, you get 20 per day, or the premium ultimate, you get unlimited. And of course, early access to new features and premium support are not available on the free version. So far, I'm really happy with the free and basic version of this. It works very well, and all the features are the same whether you have basic, premium, and ultimate. The real difference is how much you use it. If you do find your productivity goes up while you use this product, it may be worth getting the premium version for $10 a month. I'll leave that up to you, but I think the free version is certainly something you should try. It's a lot of fun, and I think you're going to really enjoy your Gmail using this Compose AI. I'm Ron Brown with Tech for Senior, 5 ways to supercharge your Gmail. Have some fun with Compose AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until we see you again, have a great day.